was going to do a makeup video, but since my children wanted to join, we're going to introduce the babies. Because you guys haven't officially met them. You just know that I'm mom and I have babies. So here's baby number 1. This is Kason. Say hi. Say hi. You not gonna say hi? Well, he will be 2 on January 23rd. And right now we're going through the phase of not wanting to eat our breakfast. So mommy's a little upset with him and he knows it. So that's why he's trying to be cute. Sit right there. His favorite things to do are, what are your favorite things to do? Punch mommy, throw a fit with mommy, and then bat his little eyes like he's cute. And then just be bad. Yeah, he started walking at 6 months and hasn't stopped since. And then number 2. Oh, right there. Say hi. All right, she will be 1 on December 30th. Her favorite things to do are scream and shit. All right, back on the floor. She hasn't started walking yet, but she'll stand up in the same place for like a very long time. She just doesn't want to take a step. Why are you crying? I'm still mad at you. Oh, he didn't even eat dinner last night. We sat in the high chair for like an hour and a half, and he just held his dinner in his hand, trying to hide it from me. And so when I realized he wasn't gonna eat and he was just gonna sit there with a frown on his face, I was like, okay, you can go to bed hungry. Didn't even give him his juice cup either. So no juice and no food. And so he wakes up this morning and barely eats his breakfast. Okay. It's okay. We will get through this phase because he's got to eat sometime, right? Girl.
Mama, do.
What? I'm probably still going to do a makeup tutorial. Yeah. Alright guys, those are my babies. So I'm going to put them in the living room to play with a whole bunch of toys. Wow. I make a video. Say bye-bye. You can say bye-bye. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khaina Rene, for those of you who don't know. Is that a pimple? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khaina Rene, for those of you who do not know. And today we're going to create this look here. Little rustic brownish neutral tones, kind of smoky eye. But before we jump right into it, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and then keep watching for the rest of the tutorial. And then there's Bay in the background. In the foreground now. Look, he's trying to kiss me. Whew, man. She's down here hitting on my leg like I don't feel left out at all. Okay. I think we're just gonna do an everyday natural look using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to go in with the shade Mug Shot in the crease. I'm going to go in with the shade Alert in the crease as well. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade. Oh, I don't know. I think I'm gonna do Rush shade here on the lid. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Alert again with a fluffy brush. And we're gonna blend.
I'm just doing
I'm gonna take a fluffier blending brush and go in with the shade Secret, which is the brown color. I'm just gonna put that on the outer V area.
goodness gracious.
What?
Stop moving.
Don't they?
Can I have a sip of your Red Bull, please?
Don't hand it back to me empty.
I did. I took a sip like I said. If you don't want that?
No, you can have it. What are you doing?
Just a darn casing.
What's wrong with him? Now we are going to throw on some. You know, I don't really feel like doing lashes. I just can't. Yesterday, I got on my own nerves with lashes, so we're gonna put on some mascara. All right, I put on a little eyeliner too. And now I'm going to put on some bronzer and some highlight.
He got a backpack in there?
And then I'll be right back. You guys, you gotta be quiet so mommy can finish filming. All right, I am back. And then for my lip, we're gonna do, probably should have thought this through before I started filming. I kind of want to go with like a brown lip. Voila! Here we go. This is the finished look. It's more of like an orangey smoky eye. I'll say a rust smoky eye. And I just went with like a kind of like an orange brownish matte lip. And oh no. That is gonna be it for this look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial full of fun and noise in the background and whatnot. But hey, life of a mommy. Alright guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.